Children, just now in my previous video I taught you about light reaction, and in light reaction first step is known as activation of energy, and by activation of energy formation of ATP takes place. So formation of ATP takes place how? I taught you that in granum energy is present and in granum phosphate is present. So by the activation of energy released in the form of photon molecule or in the form of electron molecules. These molecules move into granum. And in granum, phosphate molecules are present. So this phosphate molecule react with the electron, react with photon molecules and form adenosine monophosphate. Adenosine monophosphate again combine with one electron and form adenosine diphosphate. Again adenosine diphosphate combine with one photon molecule and form ATP. This I taught you in my previous video, that how formation of energy takes place. And as in human being, energy also is stored in the form of ATP, and in plants also energy is stored in the form of ATP. So this way in light reaction first step is known as activation of energy, and by the activation of energy formation of ATP takes place. So I hope it is clear how formation of ATP takes place. So ATP form means in granum sufficient amount of energy is present, and this energy help in the process of next step. So next step of light reaction is known as photolysis of water. Photolysis of water. You all please note down in your copy all the steps carefully. First step is known as activation of energy. Second step is known as photolysis of water. Photolysis, two words again, two words are here. One photo and second lysis. Photo means light, as I told you many times, and lysis means to break. So in photosynthesis process, what happens in photosynthesis process? By the action of energy molecule, light break. So this way light conversion of light starts. I told you that plants take light energy in the form of solar energy. They take solar energy, and this solar energy by the process of photosynthesis converts into chemical energy. So here in second step photolysis of water, light break, and in presence of light what break? Breaking of water molecules takes place. Okay, so how water molecules break in this step I am telling. So listen it carefully. Water, you all are knowing that water is present. Water is the raw material for the process of photosynthesis. So that water now by the action of energy break into 4 hydrogen ion and 4 hydroxyl ion. Understood all of you? So here energy is present. Just now I told that energy is present in the granum because lots of energy are formed by the activation of chlorophyll. So by the action of chlorophyll or by the activation of chlorophyll, they release energy. Maximum energy is present in granum. So by the action of this energy, the water which is absorbed by the roots present in the leaves break into hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion. Is it clear to you all? Now see, again I am repeating. The water which is absorbed as a raw material, now by the action of energy break into hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion. Understood all of you? So that's why here breaking of water molecule takes place. So that's why this step is known as photolysis of water. So by the photolysis of water, here we are getting hydrogen ion. Understood all of you? So this product we are getting means hydrogen we are getting. And another product which we are getting, that is hydroxyl ion. So hydroxyl ion here we are getting this hydrogen ion again goes into granum. okay, free hydrogen ion goes into Grignard. Listen carefully. And this hydroxyl ion again break and release oxygen and hydrogen. Understood all of you? So this way the water molecule break into hydrogen ion plus oxygen ion. And how this oxygen is formed? By the breaking of the hydroxyl ion. I hope all the steps are clear to you all. If you have any doubt, you can ask your question through WhatsApp, and then again I will explain. Again I am explaining, listen it carefully. Water as a raw material taken by the leaves is present in the leaves. Then here electron is released. So this electron, you can say this energy molecule, break the water molecule into hydrogen ion, hydronium ion or hydroxyl ion. Hydroxyl ion release oxygen, and this oxygen goes into the environment. So a balanced equation you can write in this way: 4H2O plus energy break. With the help of light energy, water break into hydrogen ion and oxygen ion. This oxygen goes into environment and used by the human beings or by the animals. Understood all of you? So second step, that is known as photolysis of water. And in photolysis of water, water break with the help of light energy, break into hydrogen ion and oxygen ion. So this hydrogen goes into Grignard for further reaction, and this oxygen goes into environment for the respiration process.